Hey everyone, this is your host Navneet and you're watching Physics Ace. Today I have started a new course for you so that you can easily learn the basic concepts of physics. I've seen a lot of students are not able to understand even a basic concept of physics, and there are many doubts among students regarding that. Okay, so this is the most interesting and easy subject. All you need to do is follow my videos and work hard. This is absolutely free. So today we have started a very first and basic chapter, that one vectors. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. Scalar quantity. The physical quantity that is fully described by a magnitude only is called a scalar quantity. For example, mass, area, time, volume, speed, etc. That means only magnitude defines all of its property. That is called scalar quantity. For example, mass. A particle has a mass of 1 gram. There is no need of direction. Okay. Area. Area is what? Area is, for example, let's say a room has an area of 1 meter square, 1 meter square or 1 centimeter square. No need of direction. Same is time. Time, no need of direction to define the time. No need of direction to define the volume. Volume is 1 meter cube. Okay, so next is vector quantity. What is vector quantity? The physical quantity that is fully described by both a magnitude and a direction. That means here we need a direction also. Okay, for example, force, acceleration, displacement, electric field, momentum, etc., and many more. Okay, what is force? A force has 10 newton. For example, let's say a particle is here and we apply a 10 newton force. But in what direction? Okay, in what direction? So direction matters here. Acceleration 1 meter per second square is the acceleration, but in what direction? Okay, so in these physical quantities there is need of direction as well as magnitude. Okay, so these are called vector quantity. The next one is vector addition. We have seen yet that what is a scalar quantity, what is a vector quantity. Now we'll see the vector addition. There is very important rule, triangular method. For vector addition we have two methods basically. The first one is triangular method and the second one is Polygon method. The first one is triangular method. Suppose we have two vectors, vector A and vector B. Okay, we have to find the addition of these two vectors. Then by triangular method, let's say this is vector A, this is vector A and this is vector B, and we have to find the addition of vector A and vector B. Then this is vector C and C is equal to A plus B. So here see, the direction is very important of vector A and vector B. The head is, this is the head of vector A and this is tail of vector B. This head of A, this tail of B. So vector A and this is vector B, this is head of vector B, and if we draw a vector C that is pointing towards the head of B, then C is equal to A plus B. That is the triangular method of vector addition. Okay, the next one is Polygon method. Okay, this is the extension of triangular method of vector addition. Hey, Polygon method is not a new method, it is actually the extension of triangular method of vector addition. How? Suppose we have several vectors like vector A, vector B, C and so on, and we have to find the addition of that vectors, these vectors. Okay, then suppose we make a polygon. This is vector A. In that case, in triangular method of vector addition, we have made a triangle. Here we will made a polygon. Okay, this is vector A, this is vector B, this is vector C, this is vector D, and all these will make a polygon. Okay, all these will make a polygon, and the resultant of all these vectors will be vector R. So for polygon method, here all the vectors make a polygon, and the resultant of all these vectors will be vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector D and so on. So this is not a new method, this is actually the extension of vector addition method. Okay, triangular method of vector addition. So resultant R is equal to vector A plus B plus C plus D plus and so on. Okay, so here we can see here all the vectors make a polygon, and the resultant of all these vectors will be vector R is equal to vector A plus B plus C plus D and so on. Okay, all these vectors sums to be vector R. This is called polygon method of vectors. This is basically the extension of triangular method of vector addition. Okay, clear? Next, vector subtraction. Hey, vector subtraction is nothing but a vector addition itself. We do some modifications and apply vector addition method. Suppose we have to find the subtraction of two vectors, vector A and vector B. Then we can write like this. Suppose this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is vector C. Then C is equal to A minus B, vector A minus vector B. Now, what is that modification? What is that modification? So, look at the figure. This was vector A and this was vector B and this was vector C. Then C was equal to A minus B. Here the modification. Here all I need to do is reverse the direction of vector B. Reverse the direction of vector B. This. Here this is the arrow of B and here this is the tail. This is head of vector B. Just reverse the direction of vector B. Then it will become minus B. Okay. If I reverse the direction of a vector, it will become minus. This is vector A, this is vector minus B, and this is C, and this is nothing but a vector addition method. This is vector A, this is vector B, actually minus B, and this is vector C. So C will become A plus of minus B because this vector is minus B vector. C is equal to A plus minus of B vector. This plus and minus will become minus. So C is equal to vector A minus vector B. So finally it is proved. So if you like the video, please follow the videos, share, subscribe and like. Till then, goodbye.